What's going on, YouTube? I'm Chrissy Whispers. Welcome back to another video. So tonight we're going to be doing basically 2 months of updates because September was really slow, so I figured I would just do September and October together, and I think half of August, so about 2 months worth of time. And I figured I would just condense it into one video for you guys since it hasn't been much going on. As far as TCG Player is, I've been paid out $79.30, and between fees and shipping I paid about $25.56. By the time this video airs, I will likely be a level 4 seller. I have started listing on eBay. After I bought that collection, I thought it was wise to list my nicer cards or more sought after cards on eBay, and I like that because so far I haven't had to pay shipping for one card. All the sales I made, I do buyer pays shipping, and because of that my fees have been much better. Well, the fees have been the same, but what I'm making is better on eBay. So on eBay I was paid out $92.14 with no shipping costs, and I had about $16.49 in fees. So you could see, by selling on eBay and having the seller pay for the shipping, selling a card that is more than $25 on TCG Player, you're only going to make 99 cents for shipping, but you're going to have to send that card with tracking, and you're going to lose money on the shipping aspect of that card. So I opted for posting those cards on eBay, and I'll let the seller pay. If they want the card, they're going to pay for the shipping. Forgive the unibrow. What I do for my listings on eBay is I take a picture of the front of the card out of the sleeve, front of the card in the sleeve, back of the card out of the sleeve, and then I take a picture of all 4 corners of the front of the card, and if there are any nicks or whitening on the back of the card, I will highlight those with its own photo. And I've been getting a lot of views. I only listed like 7 cards on eBay, and 5 of them have sold. I really have to get on top of that. That's one thing I'm gonna say about in this video is don't be lazy. I've really slacked off for the past 2 months, and the sales show. I bought that collection and I should have just listed all of those cards that night, and I've really been procrastinating, and it's been hurting my bottom dollar because I don't have that money to buy more stuff and make those flips over and over again. So my tip for the video is going to be, do not be lazy and do not procrastinate, because time is money. And even though it's a side hobby, if you're going to spend some time, you want to make some money. So try to be efficient and just keep listing those cards, guys. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment what you guys are doing, what you'd like to see from me. Thanks for stopping by. Chrissy Whispers. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.